Do you know English but freeze when you need to speak? Today we're practicing everyday English you actually need. Just listen, repeat, and speak with me. Earlier today, I stepped outside to grab a coffee. Nothing special, just a normal moment. While I was waiting, I listened to the conversations around me. Friends talking, someone on the phone, the barista taking orders. And I realized something. Nobody was using complicated English. No long sentences, no perfect grammar. People were speaking in short, simple, everyday phrases. That's the English we actually use, the English that makes conversations flow. So today, that's what we're going to practice together. In this section, we practice how to start a conversation in a relaxed, natural way. Listen carefully, then repeat out loud with me. Hey, how's it going today? You look pretty relaxed. Yeah, I'm doing well, just taking things one step at a time. Same here, it's been a long day, but nothing too stressful. How has your day been so far? It's been busy, but honestly, I can't really complain. That's good to hear, at least the day is moving fast. Yeah, once it gets going, it usually flies by. Hopefully the rest of the day stays calm. Yeah, fingers crossed. Now we practice phrases you can use when someone asks you something or makes a suggestion. That sounds good to me. I don't see a problem with that. Yeah, I think that could work actually. Let me think about it for a moment. I'm not completely sure yet, but I'll let you know. I'll get back to you later today once I check. That makes sense when you explain it like that. I hadn't thought about it that way before. All right, let's see how it goes. We can always adjust if we need to. Now we practice phrases you can use when someone asks you something or makes a suggestion. Honestly, I feel the same way about that. Yeah, I totally get what you're saying. That's actually a really good point. I didn't expect that, but it makes sense. Yeah, that happens sometimes, and that's okay. It is what it is at this point. At the end of the day, it's not a big deal. We'll figure things out as we go. There's no need to rush it. Now we practice polite English that still sounds relaxed and natural. I really appreciate you letting me know about that. Thanks for taking the time to explain it. No worries at all, it's really not a big deal. That's totally fine with me. I understand where you're coming from. Thanks for being patient with me. I'll definitely keep that in mind. That actually helps a lot. I'm glad we talked about it. In this final section, we practice how to end conversations in a natural, friendly way. All right, I should probably get going now. But yeah, it was really nice talking to you. Let's catch up again sometime soon. I'll talk to you later, okay? Take care and have a really good day. Yeah, sounds good to me. All right then, talk soon. See you next time. Drive safe. In this section, we practice phrases for making casual plans. Do you want to grab a coffee later or maybe tomorrow? Yeah, that sounds good. Tomorrow works better for me. What time were you thinking? Maybe sometime in the afternoon, nothing too early. That works for me. I'll let you know if anything changes. Perfect. Just text me when you're on your way. All right, sounds like a plan. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Talking about how you're feeling. Now we practice everyday phrases to talk about how you're feeling. Honestly, I'm feeling a little tired today. It's been a long week, so that makes sense. Yeah, I just need to rest and reset a bit. I'm not stressed, just mentally tired. Once I relax a little, I'll be fine. We all have days like that. Yeah, tomorrow will be better. I'm sure it will. In this section, we practice small talk that flows naturally. It's been really busy around here lately. Yeah, I've noticed that too. Feels like time is moving faster than usual. Honestly, it really does. At least the weather has been nice. Yeah, that definitely helps. Makes the day feel a little easier. For sure. Now we practice how to agree or disagree without sounding rude. Yeah, I agree with you on that. I see what you mean, but I think it depends. That's fair, I hadn't thought about it that way. We might have different opinions, and that's okay. At the end of the day, we both want the same thing. Yeah, that's true. I can agree with that. Let's go with that for now. We practice phrases that help your English flow smoothly. You know what I mean? Let me think for a second. How should I put this? It's kind of hard to explain. But yeah, that's basically it. That's what I was trying to say. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, exactly. Now, Luna tips. When you practice shadowing, don't rush. Speaking clearly is more important than speaking fast. Focus on the rhythm, not each single word. English sounds natural when the rhythm feels natural. If a phrase feels difficult, repeat it 3 times. First slow, then normal, then confident. And remember, your mouth needs practice, not pressure. You're training a skill, not taking a test. All right, my friend, that's today's practice. You showed up, you listened, and you spoke. That already puts you ahead. Real English isn't about sounding perfect. It's about feeling comfortable when you speak. If today's shadowing helped you, come back tomorrow. We're building real English together, one day at a time. Take a deep breath, relax your voice, and I'll see you in the next practice.